Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I can't even believe I'm saying that. It just showed up on my doorstep today and I've just been so thrilled, and I really want to show you guys what it was like for me to just pretty much get the package and just see what's inside. So I've done a few of these in the past, and just like all the rest of them, we're just going to do the same kind of protocol, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I kind of knew about this ahead of time, but my husband did pre-order this a few days ago, and we were really surprised that it showed up just this afternoon, and here it is. So most everything in this box, opposed to the actual charger that would go on the wall, that's a little bit different, and the way that's set up has changed a little bit. Okay, so when I found out that I was going to get the phone a couple days ago, I realized I was going to need a case pretty quickly. So I went ahead and just went on Amazon and picked this one up. It was pretty inexpensive. I can link it if you guys want. It was about $13, I believe. And it is kind of a slick type of material right here, so it can easily fall out of your hands. So I just added a pop socket, and that's pretty much it. But like I said, it's pretty late tonight. I just want to show you guys what the phone looked like and pretty much what is going on.